Hey guys, welcome back to the channel RP. Let's explore. So guys, in the last video session, we see this length replace substring, these few of the string manipulation method in UiPath. In the description box, I provide the link so that guys you can go through that link and check out. And in today's video session, we learn how to use the split method by using the two different methods and the left and the right function. Guys, if you feel that my channel is really useful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification for my upcoming videos. So let's start today's video session. Go to the studio. I'm creating one new process and you can give any name, split function demo, and click on the create. So this is our UiPath studio. Now I'm taking one sequence. I'll show you how to use the split method through a simple example. So right now here I'm taking one input dialog box. Here you need to put title, like I'm putting the enter string, enter string. In the input label, you can give any label as you wish. So I'm giving enter input string to be splitted. Now here is one option like input type. It's a text box or it's a multiple choice. So currently I'm taking the text box only, and whatever the input given by the user we need to store into the particular variable. So here in the properties panel, in the result field, I'm creating one variable, that is user input data. Once you click on this input dialog box, this variable is automatically came into the value entered. So this variable is able to store the input data which is given by the user. Now here I'm using the assign activity and I'm creating one more variable, that is splitted data, and here you need to provide the user input data variable dot split into the bracket. You need to provide c char, then here you can give any separator as per your requirement. So currently I'm giving space. So the separator could be anything. It should be hyphen, comma, semicolon, plus sign, anything as per your wish. So currently I'm just giving the space here and press OK. So here it's showing the validation error because here we used cchar. This help us to convert means it help us to convert the character in the string. There are few text, so it help us to it convert into the character. And here in variable we need to change the variable type. It's a array of string. Now the validation error is gone because this splitted data is contain the array of all text which is included into the particular string. So now, to showing each and every text into the string, I use for each activity. So for each item in the splitted data, control space splitted data, And here I'll use the message box to show you each and every item, and I'm passing the item. So here you have to type argument should be string, right? So let's see how it's work. Run file, and I'm entering one text, that is I love my country. So here you are able to see the space which I included in between each and every text. So perfect, it's working perfectly. It separated each and every text. Perfect. So guys, this is one of the method. Hope you understand. Now I'll show you the another method. Now, right now I'm disable this activity by using this one, comment out. Now it's a disable. I'm taking assign activity one more time, and I'm passing the same variable, that is splitted text, splitted data. Now here I'm using the user input data dot split, and into the I'm passing a value like in double quotes. Now I'll take separator as a hyphen. You can give anything, and here I'm putting the C. Now this is one kind of another method of splitting any string value. So let's see how it's work. Now user should be provided a string value which contain the hyphen, so that it separate each and every text. So let's run this file once again. So here I'm providing I hyphen love my country. Perfect. It's working perfectly. This method is also useful to separate each and every text into the string. So this is another method. So guys, if you have any doubt or any challenge, please ask me in the comment box. I help you to solve it. So this is all about the split function. So we'll move to the left function. I'll create one sequence, sequence 1. Now here I'm taking one assign activity. I'll create one variable, sorry, control K, input, and you can take input any string value, like I'm taking RPA developer role. This is our string value. RPA developer role. So in the string value, if I want to extract the left text, so for that purpose I'm using the left function. So I'll show you how to use. So here I'm again using the assign activity, and I'm entering the same variable control space input, and here I'm using the left function. Left, we need to pass the variable, that is input control space input, comma, and we just here you are able to see the syntax, function string dot left, and the string as a here we pass the variable as a string, and we need to know the length as an integer. So we need the left text, so we'll count the length. one, one, two, three. So three length, RP having the three length. So I'm passing the length 3. And now I'll use the message box to show you. So input. We'll run this workflow and we'll check how it's work. Perfect. It will help us to extract the left text value, RPM. Now suppose if you want to extract this developer text, then how we can do that? So for that we'll use the substring function, which I already mentioned in my previous video. So guys, you can check out there. So still I'm taking here how the use substring function. So here I'm passing the same variable left input dot substring, and in the bracket the syntax of substring is start index as an integer. So whenever we want to extract a substring, in that case we need to know the index. Here the index of this one, D is 4. See, R having 0 index. I'll show you. R having 0 index, P having 1 index, A having 2 index, and there is a space in between these two text. So and the D having 4 index, so it's a 3 space having 3, so we'll leave it, and D having the 4 index, right? And length of this particular text is, we'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So length is 9 and the start index is as a 4. So we need to pass here this start index and the length of that substring. So I'm passing 4 comma, and here you are able to see the length is 9, right? And again comma, 9, bracket close, and we'll check it's able to fetch the substring or not. I'll run the workflow one more time. Perfect. So by using the substring function, we know how to fetch, how to extract a particular string, a particular text value. Now we'll move to the next write function. So here we'll remove all these things and we'll use the write function. Write into bracket, we need to pass the same variable input comma. Now this is the syntax of write function, string as a string and the length as an integer. So whenever we have to fetch the right text, so we need to know the length of that particular text value. So roll having the length is 4, so I'm passing here the 4. So we'll save this one and we'll check how it's work. Run file. Perfect. So our robot is able to fetch the right value of this particular string, RP developer role, and the role is extracted here. So guys, this is all about today's video session. If you have any doubt in this left and right function, so please let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing. Happy automation.